G'day everyone, I'm Mrs. Hebbett and welcome to the Art Room. Today we're going to carry on with looking at our elements and principles of art, but we're going to do an elements exercise. So we've had a play at doing the elements with practical things. So now what I'd like you to do is select your elements. So this one has 8, but generally we look at line, shape, form, colour, value, space and texture. And I want you to choose 4. How many do I want you to choose? 4. And what I'd like you to do is come up with perhaps drawing an alien of some sort, but you need to have your 4 elements in that. So if I was going to create my alien, I've started off with using the element line, and then what I've done is I've turned those into shapes. So I've already used 2 elements without even trying. Okay, so we've got line and a shape. The next thing we can have a go at doing is adding some shapes, some colour on him. Now I've purposely chosen to use textures for a particular reason, and I'll show you that in a second. So we've got colour, why don't we put some texture on my guy. His tail, and I've got line. Now what I'm going to get you to do is to write on there the elements that you're using, so that I know it's not just a drawing of an alien, you've actually had to write in the elements that you're using. So if I start with line, and we've turned those into shapes. We've had a go at colour. Now, is that enough, do you think? Or how many did I ask for? I actually asked for 4. Okay, so if I was going to create another one, I could put in some space. So if I put him in a little environment, and he's going to be in some hills, and then I can put a little bit of tone in there. Now, like I said, the reason I've used the textures today is because when you add water to your texture, that almost can become like a little watercolor. Okay, so I'll do that now. Now this will run a little bit because I'm standing up and doing it, but you get the idea. Taking some of that water. Okay, and what do I have to do? I have to label that, don't I? So in this one, I've also created space. Okay, so I'd like you to draw me an alien. Mine's on A4 piece of paper. Don't make it too much bigger than that, because we don't need to spend a long time, and the bigger your pieces are, you might tend to spend a bit more time on those. You've got to come up with 4 elements. I would like you to write them down so that I know what your focus is on rather than just drawing an alien. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your work.